Hi and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to add a location filter on your Snapchat. So first what you need to do is to simply launch your Snapchat app on your phone, and then we will going to need to take a picture, and so I am just simply going to my camera and then take my picture. Just like that. And after a few seconds, you will see a multiple circles on the bottom of your screen, and we'll just need tap on it and then scroll onto these filters and find the location filter that we were going to use. So it looks like this, a pinned icon. And if you want to change the location that appears on your picture, you can just simply tap on that location and then choose in here, or you can simply search the location that you want to use. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.